Today we play Find the Kittens. From too easy to insane. Let's go! Oh. What? Okay, wait, me. To the left. My first kitten. Well, 28 to go. With 27 left. Oh my god! The size 6 of these. What? Wait. Oh, get away, please. I'm not too far. And secret jump. I did it. Hold up. I cool kitten. Oh yes. No. Okay. Phew. Also, we did found this kitten. That difficult shot. Kitten. Join the crew. No, stop climbing. I'm stuck. Okay. No! I didn't jump. Good kitten. We have 4 kittens and 24 to go. I see this kitten. That's this kitten. Statue. Out this. 22 kittens to go. Then. The follow. Oh, shoot, eat, no, shoot, eat, then, oh, not that one, oh, not that one, let's see this, how did it, so this, then, oh! Then, shoot. Shoot. Okay. Oh, I can't tell it's impossible. Oh, this is Sleepy Kitten and Gamers. Oh my god. We have 8 kittens, 20 to go with. Up. Oh, shoot, cloud. I see this cloud. Oh! Man, I can't see. Whoa. Man, I can't. Did I go? Yes, how it's impossible. How is it possible? Excuse me? What? What is this? The kid I tell that. Join the group. How do I join this group? No! How to Oh no, my god, this group. Not that. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. Oh yeah. Bye. Yes. Thank you, Beth. Final. Oh no. We all found the easy mode. Let's try the medium mode. In the warm, cozy place. Where's this? Oh, there they are. There's a stone. I see green 9. Green 9. Oh, God. Desert. Okay. Green 9. Yellow 5. Oh my god. Oh my. Let's jump. No. Break it. Where I am. What the hell I was? I just died. But I just died. I just died this moment. It's too. I don't know. Where is it? Oh, it. What? Oh. Well. Okay. What's the code? What's the code? What is the code? 729. Oh, that's 7, 4, 9, 2, 5. So smart. We got a hard rainbow kitten. Let's really dive. Why is this so wrong? What's up? Where the hell I am? What is the truth? We should find this. Oh! Yeah. Why can't you? What is this? Cowboy kitten. Oh, that's right. Cowboy kitten. Cowboy kitten. Quick, danger! Quick. Am I dying? Oh, I'll try and take this. Oh, need some more time. Not quite. We need to find. Yeah. Why hell it's just the code 3, 5. What the hell is this a code? I don't know. No, I'm stupid man. Good for obbies. Yep. Yo, oh! We need some more 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Hard. The time kitten. 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 Time. Oh. Wobble it. Wobble. Gold kitten. What the Adga 752 has been a friend request, huh? Request. Friend request. Who's in the pyramid? What? Oh! They jump. It's a quick sand. Oh no! But who is this? Not the oh my goodness. Quicksand kitten. Time. at the same time. Oh, quick! Oh, I just the place I didn't know. Quicksand kitten. Where is the cactus kitten? Where is the cactus? Where is the cactus? What is this? Builder kitten. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What? There's a cowboy there. Easy, jeez. Easy, pleasy, I peasy, peasy. How many? Not a. That's a, oh no! I didn't know. Already owner, do you have these? I didn't know. No, I didn't. This medium, I think it's 18 to 28. 10 more to go. Wait. Water. What does it say? Shift clock switch. Okay. Shift to clock. Where's the shift to clock switch? There is shift to clock switch. Shift. There is shift. Shift. Camera mode. Shift to clock. Dance. Oh. Dance. 2. Oh. Wait a second. Yeah. It didn't work. It's an E-dance too. I don't know, you but stupid. In desert. Where is the cactus? Kitten. I didn't see. I didn't see. Oh my god. Oh my god! Medium done. Which is a code? Please. Small numbers, they control matters. Big numbers, they control matters. Number cacti in the desert. Numbers represents pole. Find these numbers. Yeah. 2, 9, 5, It didn't work. 39 259 259 9 4 5 4. It didn't work. What is the code? 2 6 2. What is the code? What is the code? Number. So much. Thank you so much. 6 8 4 2 4 2 6 6 6 6 6 6. Oh man, bro, these guys are joints, bro. 2 2 5 7. That's, oh my god, bro 2 5. Six 2 5 7 6 6 7 6 6 double sixes 9 6 3 9 bro 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 you make 8 8. Yeah, gonna go. Hell started it. Well, bro, and it's impossible. I don't know. It's impossible. I don't know how to code. Maybe that later. What is that scientist? It puzzle in the pyramid. Solve puzzle in the pyramid. Secret la 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 boy you. 20 to 28. 6. Sorry. It's a. What is the code? Oh, 1 7. The who is this? The who is this? The who is this, man? 1 8 once 1 7 8 5 9. 1 2 5 7. 1 2 5 7. We stuck. 6, 6, 9, 3, 8. Go. Impossible. Impossible. Over 50 songs. I shook the song. The way I don't know how the number looks. Number looks like that's in a small. That's a that's for a kid. Yep. Brian said, "Where is he?" Brian, where is he? Brian said. Oh. I'm sick. I'm sick. See what it pop up. Mad scientist kitten. Oh, secret word. Oh, so. Oh. Troll, Abby. Okay. Click to move. Click to move. Oh no. Oh no. I always should die. Click show. Click. Give us. Classic. Click. That's not the always screams. That's not. I see invisible thing. What the heck is man? The invisible. Why did you? Oh, they're invisible. The invisible thing. The invisible thing. The invisible thing. There is the invisible. Hey. Oh dear. Where's the jump? Damn him! Damn him! This is invisible thing. I just see that. Okay. Okay. We find the 22 out of 28 kittens. Goodbye.